Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this boomerang effect on CapCut. So I'm just going to select this video and I'm just going to make it short, like around 1 second, and then I'm just going to copy and paste that, and I'm just going to select reverse on that clip, and you're just going to do that to all of the clips that you want for your boomerang. For instance, this one, again, going to make it this short, copy and paste, and then I'm going to reverse it and just do it to all of your clips, and you'll have something like this. And that is it for this video. You'd want to make it shorter though. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And if you have any questions about this video, you can leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.